Hi, this video is a demonstration for our data exploration Python file for lab 2 of DSCI 560. So in our case, our data exploration Python file has three functionalities for retrieving the three different data types that were discussed in the lab. So our first function is for extracting CSV data. So in this case, we're referencing a CSV dataset that's hosted on Hugging Face, which is this one. And then we're using the load dataset function from Hugging Face to be able to download, retrieve, and extract data from the CSV dataset. Then we have a get HTML function in which we're directly referencing a HTML Reddit page, this one in this case. And then we're scraping data from the post of that Reddit post, and then we're also extracting comments from that Reddit post. So we're scraping those two data sets within that Reddit post. And then finally, we have a get PDF function that directly looks at a hosted PDF file. In this case, it's this one. And then we're using the PDF builder function to scrape the data from that PDF and then output it to a CSV. All of the source code is going to be included in our submission. But so if we run this file directly in the terminal, what this does is it creates some CSV and JSON outputs. So for the Reddit post, which was the HTML scraping, we are creating outputs for the post and for the comments. We're storing them in both CSV and JSON, but the data in them are equivalent. They're just stored in different formats. But so these two files are for the comments that were extracted from the Reddit post, and then these two files are for the post itself. And then this CSV file is the data that was scraped from the PDF. So the data was just scraped and then outputted to the CSV. And then for the initial CSV that was scraped from Hugging Face, if you look at the terminal, we are just outputting some information about it. It has total amount of rows of over 8,000, and then we're just printing out the first 5 rows in that CSV file. We didn't store it in a separate CSV file because the file itself is already CSV. So we're just reading it, and then we're just reading it in memory, and then we're just outputting some useful information about the data itself. Thank you.